Hey guys, so today I've got two Klein Tools 8-piece ratchet wrench sets. These are color coded. On the left I've got standard. They go from 5/16 up to 3/4, and on the right I've got the metric set. It goes from 8mm up to 19mm. If we open this up, we've got all of our wrenches here in the front in a nice organized little tray. I like how they come. But in behind that you've got your carrying pouch, or your transport pouch, whatever you want to call it. So get that out of the way, and if we can get down in here, let me cut this and I'll get right back to you. That's what they look like whenever you get them organized in the pouch. I really like that a lot. And then you've got this mesh here. You just flip this mesh down, helps hold them in there, and then you literally just fold it up just like that. Stick your Velcro back together, throw it in the backpack or the tool bag. I really like these sets a lot. There'll be a link in the description where you can get each one of them. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I have. These things are great. I've used a couple buddies. This is the first set that I've actually bought, but they're nice and smooth. They don't splay. The ends of them are made nice. So thank y'all for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and tool deals. And we go to a lot of stores and show you all the deals. And give us a like. Help this video get out to as many people as possible. And leave us a comment. Let me know where you're from and if you're enjoying our channel. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.